It's been 2 days of the Fiberlogy filament adventure, and it'll be 2 more days. This model prints without supports, but I enabled them for more stability, and they use material that would otherwise be purged. Don't know what happened to the supports. Well, I don't know what happened with these lines here. One of them is on all the models, but otherwise the colors, I love them. Alright, I checked the specs and I was supposed to use a larger nozzle for the glittery stuff. It's this Aurora that has larger glitter particles. Should we run them again?